I went to Home Depot to get a multimeter, and to my surprise, they were all locked up except for the Commercial Electric brand. But before walking over to another aisle to grab a tool to help myself to the others, I went ahead and took a look at the Commercial Electric specs, and this one seemed to have everything that I needed at a lower price, so I went with it. But now I need to find a case. Most of the cases out there are for like Klein tools and Milwaukee. So on Amazon, I found this one that's obviously for the Klein tools, being orange. And we're going to see if the case and the magnetic strap will work with this model. This model is the DMM-8301S. It comes with the temperature probe, and obviously once you take off all those little caps, you want to put them somewhere. So this case has a little zipper pocket. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case. So it has a little handle. It's got the double zippers. The zippers seem to work nicely. So within here is probably the magnetic strap. Don't eat that stuff. I did not know it was going to come with this cleaning cloth. That's nice. And as I said, on this side, this has the zipper. I really wanted the zipper instead of just the holder because I want to put all these little plastic things in there. I guess I'll start by putting the manual. I'm never going to look at that manual, but it's nice to have it. Alright, so that's starting off well. The manual fits in there nicely. Put the temperature probe in. And then all those little plastic pieces that I don't even know why I hold on to them. But they came with the unit, so I guess I'll keep it. So now I can zip all that up, and I don't have to worry about losing any of that stuff. So now let's take a look at the meter itself, see how it fits on this side. I do have the probes put into the slots. I don't want to take these cables off. I just want to put everything in here. So let's do something like that. All right, just because I want it in a case doesn't mean I don't want to be able to quickly use it. So it looks like everything fits in there just fine. Close this up, zip it up. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much in a perfect fit for this. Now let's take a look at that strap. So yeah, that's nice. Easy to grab and go. And then I can use this cloth to keep my screen clean. Nice. Now let's take a look and see if that magnetic strap is going to work for us. You'll see here that there is a cutout, and I'm hoping that strap will just go into that cutout just like the Klein tools. Well, that didn't come off easily, so let's just rip it. Alright, so it looks like we have some instructions. Okay. They should have posted this online. This looks like this actually will work for many different multimeters. Let's see what's inside this bag. Oh, so you only get one specific type within this bag. So it looks like this is the smaller Klein tool multimeter clip, and I doubt this clip is going to fit on here. Yeah, that's not sliding in any way. I'm guessing this would have gone in there somehow. But putting this aside, I think the strap itself will fit in easily. So putting it through that hole and velcroing over. Yes, it does hold. And the other side of this is the magnets. And obviously that will go through. And we should be able to use the magnetic portion of this now. So it's a little bit loose. It would have been better if this strap was wider for this particular model. But let's see how the magnetic part works. That actually works surprisingly well. I just got close to that wall art that was made out of metal and it grabbed on instantly. That is a really strong magnet inside and I'm not worried about this falling off when I'm out using it. You probably want to know how well I trust this case, so everything's in here. There's the multimeter, all the accessories. Zip this up. And, you know, okay, I'm walking along. Oh, here's some stairs. I'm clumsy. Oh! Oh, that didn't go very far. So yeah, for a small drop like that, obviously everything's fine. You can see everything is fine. Let's give it a better throw this time. Yeah, so all the way down the stairs, and again, it'll be perfectly fine. Just a few words about the multimeter itself. It is actually very nice. It has these lights to let you know where you should be plugging in the cables based on which mode you're in. It doesn't have an auto backlight, but this is fine. If I need a backlight, I turn on. You know, sometimes the auto can be a pain because it'll turn on or off when you either want it off or on. So manual's probably better anyways. It has all the other features that I need. But yeah, the case itself is nice. I just threw this down the stairs, no problems. Using the money I saved buying this Commercial Electric over the Klein, I get this nice case. Overall, I'm pretty happy that I wasn't allowed to buy the one that I wanted.